एस्केपिज्म के बारे में तो सुना ही होगा नहीं। और अगर तुम्हें लगता है कि एस्केपिज्म इज नॉट द राइट थिंग, एस्केपिज्म गिव्स यू ओनली टेम्पररी हैप्पीनेस, तो टेल मी व्हाट इज परमानेंट हैप्पीनेस। टेल मी हाउ डू यू गो देयर। टेल मी तुम कैसे, तुम्हें पता चलेगा कि जो तुम्हें चाहिए, जिस चीज़ से तुम खुश रह सकते हो, वहां तक पहुंचना कैसे है। टेल मी हाउ डू यू फील and how do you know how you will feel if you get all the good things that you wish for. If escapism is temporary and it's bad and it's not the only solution, then tell me. Listen my take on it. Escapism is not that bad. It's just that उसको इतना बुरी तरीके से यूज किया गया है, और उसको इतना हाफ हार्टेडली यूज किया गया है कि कभी उसका फुल मतलब समझ ही नहीं पाए। फॉर एग्जाम्पल, क्या होता है एस्केपिज्म में? एस्केपिज्म ऑफ योर थॉट्स इज बेसिकली व्हेन यू वांट टू, when you have to face certain emotions, when you have to face certain situations, but you just cannot. You will rather go and think about some things that you want. You want fantasize or romanticize your life in your head and all of that. बट तुमने सोचा है, जब 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 ये एस्केपिज्म आता है, इट इज मोस्टली एट द टाइम जब तुम दुनिया से परेशान हो चुके हो, when you're tired of the entire world, that is the exact place when you want to escape from things, right? Where do you go after trying to escape from the world? To yourself. You try to understand yourself better, that you know see, this is how it works. You are tired of the world, you try to escape it, you fantasize about the things you want in life, and then you question how am I going to get there and all of that, and then you somehow in the process come closer to yourself. You somewhere start to love yourself better, that my god, the world is so harsh, but at least I have these qualities. So if escapism used rightly, it can make you love yourself so much, which is the entire point of life, right? To love yourself and to love the life that you're creating for yourself. So escapism is not as bad as it is seen out there or it is understood by people. Also, what is the worst that could happen if you keep escaping? One, yes, if you do it mindlessly all the time, you can get to a point where your delusions can't be understood. But if your delusions can't be understood, but it makes sense to you, don't you think you will start living the way you live in your mind? Don't you think you will start living the way you live when you are delusional? Like, for example, if you are delusional enough to believe that you are the prettiest person in the room anywhere you go, you'll start acting like it and let the world say whatever they want to. Delulu is the real Solulu, if you know what you know. Delusion is truly what makes you actually believe in yourself. And you might have heard it 1,000 times that delusion, be delusional, be so delusional about your dream that no one can stop you from achieving it. This is where it starts. Escapism leads you to delusion, to be delusional. And that delusion is what makes you love yourself, what makes you believe yourself. So, escapism, if used right and thoughtfully, you have no idea what it can make you do. Try it in some things. I'll tell you my personal story. I was last night so thinking so bad about how some people make me feel, and I was like, how is this world like this? Like, how can someone make someone feel so bad? And then I was sleeping, and then I just thought, but I'm not like that. I mean, they can tell me whatever I want, but I'm not like that. If I actually, it started here, that I was like, maybe I want to go and conquer that world. Maybe I want to think about things so much. Uh, you know, I want to do this, I want to do that. And then I realized that whatever people are telling about me, I am not actually that. If these are my dreams, if these are my goals, how am I even close to the people who make me think bad about myself? And I am not making others feel like that. That is what made me believe in myself. And Yes, people, there might be people who will tell me that, oh, she's not like that, she's thinking too much of herself or whatever. Okay, but brother, what are you going to do about it? I believe so. I believe in myself. I believe that that's how I am. I am a good person. I am a nice person. And this is what is going to help me grow. Yeah, you will hear that in all my videos. But yeah, delusion makes you believe yourself, and your belief in yourself makes you grow. So let people say whatever they want, but escapism, use it rightly, believe yourself, and you will grow. And even if you don't, you'll be happy. At least you're trying to live the life you wanted to when you were trying to escape this world.